Okay, it's that time of the week again. It's Time Trial Tuesday. So we're in Time Attack in iRacing. We're going back into the MX5. And where are we this week? Winton Motor Raceway. Okay. And is it the full track? Yes, it is. Full track. And we need to get 131.2. 131.9. So Lee is in our Discord. So he's in the 13.1s. Francis is also there. John. Okay, so 131s. That's what we're looking for. A 131 something. Let's see how we get on. Okay, here we go then. So I've been doing a fair bit of racing around Winton in the last week, although not all of it's been on the full track. We did like a community league test race Saturday night around here. Yeah, I was driving a spec Ford racer, but there was GR86s there as well. But that was the small track. But I did do some... What did I do last night? I did something around here last night. I can't remember what it was now. Might have been... Oh, Formula Vs, I think. So I have been doing some stuff around here. Let's just get the tyres warm anyway and see where we're at. It's a track where sort of going slow, particularly around this bit, really helps. You don't want to try and go too fast. Oh, it feels very slippy. So the short track, you just go straight on this straight and then turn right and you're back sort of on the straight. But this one, we're going left. So we're a bit down, aren't we? We need to get the tyres nice and warm, I think. Very different in a Formula V. Okay, where are we going to be then? 31s, that's what we're looking for. And I learned you can take a lot of the curb. And as long as you don't hit the outside curb there, you're all good. It's going away, isn't he? Oi, too much. Okay. Okay. I got a bit excited there, trying to keep up with him. See him driving away in the distance. Okay. Let's keep warming up. To go in there a bit slower so I can get on the power sooner. I'm having to wait there. So it's not my favourite track, Winton, but I have enjoyed it this week. Doesn't come round too often, I don't find, or I don't seem to drive it that often anyway. Okay, let's try again then. So I think you can take quite a bit of that curb. Lost a little bit there, didn't we? But we gained a little bit back. Gosh. Half a second ahead. It feels like he's closer, doesn't it? I don't know why. We've more or less kept with him there. Just out there, though. Okay. So we're losing a little bit everywhere, aren't we? A little bit everywhere.
31.904.
But we're in the 31s, so that's not too bad. But made a right pig's hit with that. I don't think we're going to catch that up, are we? No, we're not catching up, are we? No, so we're in the 31s, so that was the first challenge. So that's not too bad. Yeah, I think maybe I need to come down to first for that one. Let's see. Let's have another go. That's a bad lap. Started badly and got worse. Let's see then. Yeah, see what I mean? You don't want to hit that. But we're still alive. So we'll keep going. If we can close up elsewhere, just see if I've got a different line I can use. Can I close up anywhere? No. Okay. We'll reset. I'll do a warm-up lap. And then we'll come back. Right, we've come around. We've done a warm-up lap. Let's see if it helps us. You can take a lot of curb and not got enough track. I think I could have done that a bit better. Not too far away. Yeah, I shouldn't have changed gear then. I'll go back round and we'll start again. Okay, so if we can get the chicane right, that'll really help us get a good start to the lap. Yeah, not bad. It's a bit sketchy. Do that section as well, did we? Oh. Okay. Let me go round again. I think we'll give it one more go. It's not getting better, it's getting worse. Okay, so we're going to be committed through the chicane. and see if we can just keep with them.
258.
Reset. I'll see you at the start. Okay then, done a warm-up lap. Let's see if we can just hold it together. Tried something a little bit different there. Just stick in third going in and second coming out. See if that helped. We'll do another lap after this one because the tyres aren't quite there. We'll see if we can improve anyway. He really got away there, didn't he? Yeah, should I have gone down a gear? I don't know. Well, we'll see if the next lap's any better. Okay, slow onto the straight.
32.23.
Okay, let's stick it in third all the way through there. I think we lost a bit coming out though. We're nearly there, aren't we? Just losing a lot through that first right-hander. I don't know why. We've done a little bit better in this second part of the lap. A little bit better there. Oh, we'll be a bit closer, I think. As close as we've been, isn't it?
31.825.
Lost a load there. Actually caught up there, didn't we? I just need to throw caution to the wind. Now, somebody said try it without the car on. So we'll do the next lap with no car in front of us and see how we get on. I'll just drive my lines, not worry about it, and then we'll stop. Just focus on my driving.
0.751.
Ready? Yeah. I'll try it next time. I'm going to stop there. I'm not getting any better.
With that engine.
It's only going to get worse. Okay, let's see where that's put us. Winton Motor Raceway. What have we managed? We've managed third. Okay, so 131.8. That's not too bad. There's a big old gap, though, isn't there? Gregors and Johan. And then we're third, just ahead of Lee, look. So, yeah. Okay. I think that's... I'm not going to do any better today. I'm really tired today. I was up until 20 to 2 last night racing. I was up the night before and the night before that. We've had the grandkids round today. So I think this is as good as it's going to get. Anyway, enjoyed that. Yeah, Winton is, I'm starting to like it. I think as ever, I could probably go quicker if I came back tomorrow. But I think for now, that'll have to do. So give it a go. Stick your times in the comments. See if you can beat that time. I'm sure you'll be able to. Yeah, it's always good fun trying these. So please do. Hopefully I'll see you next time at the track.